Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make neem oil from fresh leaves of neem oil for thinning hair, to prevent premature graying, to fight itchiness, dandruff. Yes, so now I'm just showing you the neem plants, like a lot of neem in the background. Yes. So that is how neem leaves look like. So they are so fresh. So I'm going to pluck off tender leaves, which are so effective, as you can see. So I'm just going to pluck. Yes, as you can see, like this is refreshing, and this is good, friends. I'm telling you, like rice water is going to work for lice, head lice. If you're struggling with itchy scalp, head lice, neem oil is going to work wonders for you. So make sure that you subscribe to our channel and make sure that you click on the notification bell so that every time we upload, you'll be notified. So on this channel, I upload videos every day. Make sure that you come back and watch for more videos, and make sure that you share our videos, to friends who may benefit. In as much as I love sharing, we want this channel to grow so that we can actually reach a bigger audience. So now we have plucked our leaves. I've just put them in a dish, and then washing them and just pouring in warm, not lukewarm water, actually, not hot water, of course, but cold water. Then we are going to rinse to remove any dirty, pesticides and some dust which may be there. So actually, I've done a video on neem oil from dry leaves. I'll link that video in the description box below. And I'm going to link all the videos like on all which we have made so that you can check them out. So like this oil is going to work wonders for your hair. So now at this point, I'm going to pound it. I'm just going to get a mortar. Like it is very, very convenient, and like probably you can even use a grinder, but I didn't want to use a blender because I didn't want to add any water in it, because the moment you add water, then it means the oil is going to go rancid. Yes, so actually I had to let the neem leaves to sit at least for 15 minutes so that the water can drain, because we don't want to introduce any water in our oil. So now I'm going to pound, and make sure that you pound using the hard surface. This is very, very important so that your final product is pounded well. So neem hair growth promotes hair growth and prevents baldness. Neem oil has regenerative properties that support healthy cell divisions and stimulates hair follicle growth and function. It also helps in countering hair thinning. So regular application of neem oil promotes thicker hair, stronger and more lustrous hair growth. Neem oil is an inflammatory, antibiotic, and antioxidant properties prevent baldness as it treats scalp issues like scalp paralysis, which can lead to permanent hair loss if not treated. So neem will also like condition your dry hair. Neem oil contains several fatty acids such as linoleic acid and stearic, and will nourish the scalp and hair. These fatty acids present actually in neem revitalizes and restore dry hair and nourished or rough hair. It also helps with dandruff and itchiness. So now we are going to use our coconut oil. Like, I love coconut oil very much. In fact, I did a video on coconut oil. I'm going to link it in the description box below. So now we've put our oil and our neem leaves in the pot, and then we're going to put it on fire for at least 20 minutes on low heat or low setting. So we've just removed from the fire and our oil is ready. So the primary cause of dandruff is a fungus known as candid and molasses. Neem oil is effective against this fungus due to its antifungal properties. Neem oil also provides relief from inflammation, itchiness, and irritation that results from dandruff. For those who are like prone to dandruff, use it regularly. The balance of pH and prevents dandruff formation. So it also treats lice, head lice. So according to research or studies, neem oil is known to be effective in treating lice and eventually killing them. So the pungent smell of neem oil, and it is also used as a preventive treatment. So to get rid of lice, apply neem oil on your scalp and leave it in overnight. The next day, like, you have to cover it. Then the next day, make sure that you wash it and get a thin comb to remove the dead lice, like from your hair. So neem oil will also treat scalp infections. Neem oil is known to as a scalp saver for its immense healing, anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, antibacterial, and antifungal and microbial properties. It also regulates the secretion of sebum and normalizes dry, roughness of the scalp. It also prevents premature graying. So if your hair is turning gray due to its hormonal imbalance, then you benefit from neem oil. Regular application of neem oil to your hair help treat premature graying. However, note that applying neem oil is only useful in delaying or preventing graying. It won't affect hair that has already turned gray. So if your hair has turned gray too due to its, aging, then it's not going to work. You need just to embrace it like that. So in most cases, I don't usually apply oils on my scalp without the thought of washing it out. But of course, if you've been long on this channel, I use oil to pre-shampoo. So this oil actually will work very effective if you apply it on your scalp, on the rest of your hair strands. Cover it with a plastic bag, leave it for many hours, and then you rinse it. You can even use it as sealant to seal in the moisture, and you can also add it to moisturizer. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today, and comment in the section below if you're going to try making neem oil. God bless you. Bye bye.